In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Outlook, whether you're wrapping up your day or switching between accounts. Knowing how to safely sign out of Outlook is essential for maintaining your privacy and securing your information. So, let's get started and guide you through the steps to log out with ease. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of your Outlook screen. This is where you'll find various icons that provide quick access to different account settings and options. Here, you should see your profile icon, often represented by a small circular image if you've added a profile picture, or simply your initials if you haven't personalized it. Hover your cursor over this profile icon. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. This menu is designed to help you quickly navigate to important settings related to your profile. Now, in this drop-down menu, you should see an option that says Sign Out. Clicking on the Sign Out option will initiate the process of logging you out from your Outlook account. It's crucial to ensure you've completed any ongoing tasks before doing this. Once you've clicked on Sign Out, the system will begin the process of safely logging you out, closing your session, and securing your data until the next time you log in. After signing out, the page will typically redirect you to a confirmation screen or the general Outlook sign-in page. This indicates that your session has been successfully closed. If you need to log back in, you can easily do so from this page by entering your credentials again. Remember to keep your login details handy but secured to make future sign-ins smooth and secure. By following these simple steps, you ensure that your Outlook account is efficiently logged out, helping protect your private email